Hello fam, welcome to my channel. So you are going to sew the style you see on the thumbnail, and we are going to start with the down part. Please like and share this video, leave a comment as well. And so I'm making use of this fabric called Paradise, and I'm making use of 1.5. So the length is 44 and the width is 54. Yes, 54. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold some in. So I measured 4 inches in order to know the length of the lining that I'm going to use. So that is the lining. I'm going to reduce the length of the lining. So I reduced the length of the lining to 38. Yes, 38 inches. And so this skirt that I'm making, I am not going to cut it. Do you get it? Yes, you can decide to cut it. I have tutorials on how to cut pencil skirts, so you can. I will leave a link there for you to watch. But this one, I am not cutting. I'm sewing it like the way in Ghana we sew what we call slit. Do you get it? So this is it. I'll attach the lining, and these are excess. And when I attach the line, this is the down part. Now the lining is shorter than the fabric. Do you get it? That is the length. So I'll attach it that way. You will see what I mean. This is the fabric, the tie and dye fabric that I'm using. This is the correct part. I'm using that side as a correct part, and this side I'll use it as the wrong part. But I did all my markings at the correct part, because after sewing this I will wash it before wearing it. Now the length of this is 40 sorry, 42, 43. Yes, so I reduced it to 48. Yes, you can make it 40 and that'll be okay. I needed some to make scarf. Do you get it? So I reduced about 5 inches from it. So the length was 38. Yes, so this is it. And then I'm going to join these two together to get my scarf. Okay, so I folded this into 4, and I've decided to take a little from it. This fabric is 3 yards. 3 yards. Okay. So I took some from it because I'm going to use it as rope. So I will sew it this way, fold it and sew it to make a rope. Now let's place our measurement. I'm going to make a neck width of 7. If you are a slim person, you can use 6 inches. Do you get it? And then I'm going to, yes, like I measured 7. So I'm going to place it there and then measure my waist, shoulder to waist. Shoulder to waist is 17. I'll add ½ inch to it to make it 17.5. And then I'm going to divide my waist into 4, which is 10. My waist is 38, but I made it 40, and which is 10. And then the 10, I reduced 3 inches, and then I measured 7. So that's 7 that I measured down. And so where I'm lining or marking is 7 inches, and where I just marked is my waist, 10 inches. So that is where I will have my belt. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing at the other side, because I need the waist at the other side to 2 lines. But at the end of the day, I'm going to make use of 1 line, but I need to mark the 2 so that I will know which one I want to use. So I decided to do some shoulder slope of 1 inch, and I'm dividing the fabric into 2 so that I will get one for front and one for back. And I decided to cut the shoulder slope. Do you get it? Okay. And so let's open it up. This is it. Now you don't cut any neck deep, because this is high neck. Okay, so where the 7 inches that I marked, you need to mark it. So after, I'm going to fold the neck this way and sew on top. You understand as we go on. So I have the 2 lines there. Now I'm going to use this lining to create a cage there where I will pass my rope through it. And the fabric the width is 3 inches, the length is according to the length from the line to the ends of the fabric. So I'll fold each side half inch, so on it, place it, fold the upper part to place it on the line, and then sew on it, so it's going to be exactly in the middle. Do you get it? Then I'll fold this part also on the edge of the dress. After I'm done sewing, hemming the edges, do you get it? Then I'll fold it, and then it will be on top this way. So I'll sew in the middle, then I'll fold the side half inch on each side and sew on it. So after, I'm going to have two cages that I'll pass my rope through. Do you get it? And I'm going to use this, also sew it as a rope and use it as my belt. Yes, and one will be at each of the waistline, that is the 10 inches. Do you get it? Okay, if you don't get it, repeat this video, you understand. So I am done lining my skirt. Now I have a video where I teach in details how to line your slit or your fabric for the kind of skirt that I'm making, and so I'll leave the link there for you to watch. Okay, so let's go on. So I left some small space where I can use it to turn the fabric to the correct side. Do you get it? So this is it, turn it very well. So at the end of the day, I have some of the fabric at the down there. This is the space that I left, so I'm going to sew on it. Do you get it? Okay, so after everything, I'll join it together this way, and I'm going to measure, that is my slit length. The slit length I measured 22, but I later made it 21, and then from the slit point I measured 2 inches, and then I will sew it upward, up. Do you get it? But I also later added zip to it. So this is the top, you see. Yes, this is my rope, a very long one. I'm going to pass it through this way and then pass it through that way down, so that we can easily pull it. So I believe you understand what is being done there. Do you get it? Okay, so let's pass the rope through the cage or through the hole. Yes, so I'll pass it through to the upper part. So to the upper part, so this is it, and then I'm going to pass it to the other side like this, and then bring it down. Yes, bring it down. So that's what I did. Okay, I hope this should give you a fair idea of what I'm trying to talk about. Okay, and then when you pull it, yes, it will give you that effect you are looking for. And so after, we are going to fold the edges, that is at the sleeve side, and then sew on top. Do you get to sew on top this way? That's what I will do. And I'm going to use this fringes there. After sewing on top, I will attach the fringes at the edges like this, and then I'm going to sew on it all through to the down. Do you get it? To the down. I'll do it for both front and back of the dress, all the sides. So this is it. I attached a zip to the skirt. You can decide not to attach a zip and it will be okay. And so I'm just marking my waist. The waist, I was supposed to mark 40 or 38, but I decided to mark 42. Do you get it? So I left 2 inches on each side, and then my hip measurement divided into 2 is 46 divided into 2, 23. I counted, and then the excess allowance I divided it into 2 and then left it on each side. Do you get it? So when you measure, it's 23. Now this is the down part. The down part, I made it 19, and so I marked 4 inches on each side. So I'm joining from the down to the hip, and this is it. I didn't want it too tight on me, so this is the effect I went for. Now you see, as I said, I added zip to it. I have a way of a video of how to sew this secret zip, or sew a normal zip like secret zip, where it will come out nice. So this is it. I'm done sewing the sides, and then we have our skirts made. Now I'm going to add rope to this. Like I said, this skirt, I didn't cut it. I made it like the way we usually sew our slit in Ghana. So my rope, starting from the zip line, I will secure it, fold it on top, fold the zip line on top, and then fold the upper part on top like 1 inch, and I'm going to push the rope in. So I made a very long rope, push it into till I get to the middle of the skirt, then I'll stop. So when I get to the middle, I'm going to stop this way, and I'm going to start from the other side of the back, the zip line, and do the same thing till I get to the middle. So this is it. I'm done sewing on top. Now I'm going to cut through the rope, then I'll get to, then when you pull it, it will be okay. Yes, like I said, you can decide not to add zip and it will still be cool. So this is the slit line. Now the next thing that I did was to hem the allowance, the zip allowance. Yes, so I'm going to hem it very well, just with your thread and needle, and then just do some hemmings there to hold it in place. Do you get it? And so that's exactly what I did. I believe you understand this. As I said, I'm going to leave a video on how to line fabric like this to make the kind of skirt I've made. Do you get it? Now I will hem that part also down, and hem this part also down. Now let's get to the top. And so this is the top part of the dress. Now I'm done attaching the fringes on each side. Now I'm going to join the shoulders. So I'll join from the ends to where I marked the neck, which is 7 inches. So that is where the mark is. So I'll sew it up to that point. You see, let's pin it in place so that you understand. Okay. Please like and share this video, leave a comment as well. Then we come to the other side, also the same thing. Sew the shoulder all through to the down. This is a very simple dress but beautiful one. Okay, so that's how you're going to sew it. Then after you turn it, when you turn it, you fold the neck side in it just more, and then sew on top. Okay, and then you are going to put the two sides together. I'm going to measure my sleeve opening. I measured 8 inches, so 8 inches for my sleeve opening. Okay, yes, then we'll sew it from that point, that sleeve opening point, straight on the fringes down. I'll do the same thing for this side also. And so this is it. I am done. Okay, so you see the next side. Yes, this is like a boat neck. So when you pull it, this is it. You see. And so this is very simple and easy to make. Just try it and you are going to love the outcome. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section and I'll respond to it. This is the sleeve opening, you see. Okay, and this is the skirt, also the down part, also done, well ironed. So I'm going to wear this dress for you to see. Okay, so this is the slit part. Also, I've secured it down. Okay, and I made my scarf. So I joined the two pieces together, you see, at the middle, and then iron it. I got a very small scar, but it was manageable. Now let's wear the dress. So this is it. I've already worn my down part, the skirt. Now I'm going to tie the belt. The belt was just in front. You can do both front and back. So this is it, you see. Then let's pull our rope and get the effect we are looking for. So you see, this is it. Okay. Now I'm going to put on my my scarf first, and then turn for you to see my back. Yes, so this is me looking all beautiful, and this is my back, you see. So guys, thanks so much for watching. This is me, your girl, looking all beautiful and on my way to church. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.